Hi, this is Dave Philippi, and I want to show you now one of the most popular features of FabCAD, and that is the ability to take a piece of ironwork or gate or railing or fence and superimpose it on front of a photograph of the customer's house and create a demo drawing. So first of all, first thing we need to do is insert a photograph. So this basically would be a photo that you would take from your camera or your smartphone, bring it in to the import it into the computer, and then we'll just drop that photograph in here like so. And then I'm going to insert a design. In this case, I'm going to use a gate. So I'll just click on this, open this, and bring the gate in, say here. Now you notice that we've got a size problem here. We want to make the photograph match the size of the gate because the gate is drawn to scale. There's a couple ways we can do that. The easiest way is just to grab the photograph and then just grab a corner of it and just enlarge it and just visually try to get it the size that you want. And then I just move the gate over and drop it in like so. Okay, just to see it's still covering up the mailbox, I can just make it just a little bit bigger. Back to the Home tab and move the gate. Put it right in front of the house, just like that. That's one way that you can do it. Another way is if you want to scale it exactly, I'll move the gate out of the way and show you how you scale the photograph to match the gate. So what we want to do is pick an area where we want the gate to fit in. So what I want to do is to measure this area that I want the gate to fit in. So I'm going to go from just inside the mailbox here over to this point, say about right there, and that distance is 21 feet 2 1/16. That's what that is. Let's see what the actual gate size is. So I'm going to do a linear dimension from the end point of the gate here to the end point of the gate here, which snaps right to it, and that is 20 feet 4 7/16. So that's the size we want to make it. So to get this size here match the size over here, we'll use the scale command, and I'll go scale, and I'm going to pick the border of the photograph, and I want to pick the dimension. Now right click, and it says specify base point, so I'm just going to left click anywhere on the photograph, and then you notice at the bottom it says scale factor copy or reference. I want to use reference because what that does, it gives me the opportunity to put in the existing length and then to add in the length that I want it to be when the scale command completes. So the reference length is 21 feet 2 1/16. Now I can just go in and just snap to the end of the dimension lines to get that. And then the new length is 20 feet 4-7/16, and I hit enter. Okay, now I've resized the photograph to match the gate. So then all I do then is I move the gate here. I can go from the end point here and take it to the end point of that dimension line, and now I have the gate set exactly where I want, the size I want. I can take and move it over and put it to the center of the house, and we're ready to go, just like that. So what we can do now is we can take it's a very simple matter of just printing this to a PDF. So I go to plot, and we have a driver called DWG to PDF, and everybody has Adobe Reader. So I'm going to set this for letter size 8.5 by 11, and I'll put a window around what I want to take a picture of. So I'm going to put a window around this part of it right here, and I want to set it for landscape. So that's one preview there, but I always hit the preview button so you see exactly what it's going to look like, and I just plot it and save it, and now I'm creating a PDF. There's a PDF in Adobe Reader, showing the customer exactly what it's going to look like. So you can just email that out right to them. Great way to show a customer exactly how the work is going to look in front of their house. Fantastic sales tool.